Okay, and this is the another stack book box kit. It's a mini size, and yeah, it is a metal. It's a it's a tin box. So this kit you have 3 of these book box, so you can layer. But this one I didn't put the feet because you can see the round edges here. Yeah, kind of make it to put the feet. Okay, so yeah, you just can do that. So put layer of these 3 boxes like so. And for the kit I included this. I printed this on the cardstock with the paper. This one you can see quite match with this. So if you want, you can layer this, or you can use this to make a book cover. Okay, and also I print up this onto the fabric, and this one also. Yeah, if you want, you can layer it this like so. Also I print on the fabric, and I also include of this tiny tag here, so you can use this into your kit project. And yeah, and I also include one piece of this blue, I hand dye of this pastel blue lace fabric, so you can use it to for the what I plan is I print out all these tag card here, so you can include all this into and put into the book box. Okay, and yeah, the underneath, but I also print the both side. Underneath you also can layer with this fabric that I included, so you have to cut it out. So if you want, you can layer and cut the piece out. So yeah, okay, this is what I planned. But yeah, you can follow your way to design this kit. And the little tiny tag here, and the tag card here I print different. I print, yeah, so you have different in this pastel color. Okay, and also I print it up onto the small tiny size, so you also can cut it out, because this you have 3 layer of the book box. So yeah, you can make another tiny mini album or whatever you like. So you can use this cardstock to make a book cover. You make a book, yeah, just let you to decide how you play with this. And also include all of the pastel lace trim and some of this a tiny rosary in match with this kit. The color is very pretty color. Okay, for this, and also include of this very beautiful. I don't have this anymore, and so I include this. This is okay, and also match with this. So I have this color, and also include some tiny rosebud flower to show you. Okay, some of this kind of the flower, so you can use this to decorate your mini book. This one, and this embroidery. Okay, and some pink in this one. So yeah, you can use all this to play with this kit. Also only one. So yeah, if you are interested, so you just leave a comment below the picture this. Yeah, and I will come back and to show you another kit. Yeah, there's only one also. So yeah, this is the Shabby Chic one. So yeah, if you are interested, just place your order under the comment. And thank you. And